Today we learn drawing, but useful technical drawing. Technology is must for our life. Technology save our life. Keeping our finger tightly on outlines gently. That's all. Nothing to worry. Yeah, it is a spanner. It is second leverage system. Yes, gently draw the outline, and you may paint, and you may change it three-dimension spanner. How? We draw x and y of two dimension first. Then we draw converted it into three dimension. Very uh, wonderful thing. In a same plan, we draw the drawings in three dimension. It may some error. We may push it out. Yes, beautiful. That's all. This is the sketch of spanner. It is second leverage system that you see the number. This is 12 and this is 13. This to this. There is a groove, small like groove. Everything is rough and gentle practicing of our hand. That is the original drawing. We get practicing. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, so it is two dimension. How to make three dimension? Is from this side, bottom to top we see. So top only we saying like this. On the side view of this only we know. That's all. This is 3D. Now it is changed to 3D. That's all. Very nice thing. Simple and easily we draw the spanner which is useful to our life. Please share if you like. Compare the spanner. We see this up to sad. The light is passing top to bottom side. So compare this. Gives the full three dimension. Yes, it must be convert on this one. You see here, this up to this. Yes, here up to. Here gently. Here up to this. We march in them. Here also sad. It is parallel to the margin. That's all. If we share them, we get the 3 dimension of drawing. Wow, you see, ours is brighter than this original. The reflection of light shows the shades, dark to light, in not the single word. Hundreds of shades are there. Light, very light, very light, like that. So it is helpful and useful and beautiful thing I show you, learn and reply in WhatsApp. Thanking you all.